360-degree reality.
What's up guys, it's Marina and today I'm going to be doing a super glowy summer, honestly truly like for anything if you just want to be a glowy queen. First off, I don't know what video I'm posting first, so I'm literally having to say this in every single video. Yes, I am blonde. My hair isn't completely done yet. I still have to go back for one more session so that they can retone, and also I'm gonna darken the top area because this is way too much blonde. Like, I just think it really just doesn't match my dark eyebrows, you know what I mean? I love the color though. Like, sorry you guys can't see me. Is that better? I'm in love with this color though. Like, it's so cute, but I just need to get my natural hair color like dragged down a little bit more. I think it's just because I'm not used to it. Like, I literally have blonde hair. I have only had black hair my entire life.
Sunset beach, I don't need HGTV.
First things first, I'm going to be using a primer. I'm using the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. Super good. I'm just going to take a little bit like that and put it mostly in my T-zone and areas that I have pores. So, I got a new Anastasia dip brow because obviously my hair is lighter, so I wanted to try an even lighter dip brow pomade. I used to use ebony and then I went to medium brown, and now I want to try soft brown. This color like doesn't match my eyebrows, but like if I build it up, hopefully it's like the undertone of my hair but still dark enough to like match my eyebrows and not look super weird. I have a love-hate relationship for dipping into new products. It's so satisfying but so sad at the same time. Honestly, I think it's because I just have dark eyebrows, so like no matter what color I put on, it's just gonna look dark on me. So brows are finished. Now that we got the brows done, we can go back to the face. We already used the Tatcha primer, so now for that extra glow, I'm going to be using the Becca Backlight priming filter. I heard super good things about this, so I really want to try this out. But in another video, don't worry you guys, I also got the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Glow Stick. I don't know if I should mix this with my foundation or if I just use it as a primer, so I'm just gonna use it as a primer, I guess. So for foundation, I'm gonna be using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow again because we want that dewy look, and I'm in the color 208 Sun Beige. This also has sunscreen SPF 15 in it, which is perfect because for that summer glow you're gonna be in the sun and you want to stay protected. So I'm just gonna squeeze this on my hand, and then I'm just gonna add some of the Becca Backlight into this. That's a lot. I'm just gonna add a little bit more foundation and just blend it out with a beauty blender. Ooh. Don't mind my dead sleeping sister. I'm gonna be taking the Jordana Instant Glow highlighter. I just saw these in the drugstore and it had the little new sticker on it, so I'm pretty sure these are new, but I really wanted to try these out, and so far I like it. The only thing I don't like is that it doesn't give you enough product and the brush like just feels a little dry. I don't know, but yeah, so I'm just gonna be adding this liquid highlight to the high points, cheekbones, my chin, and my other cheekbone, bridge on my nose, and blending it out with the beauty blender. Whoa, look at that glow. So now I'm gonna be using a concealer. I'm using the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. Oh my god, I should have put liquid highlight after my concealer. Oh, I'm stupid. Okay, well, anyways, we're gonna have to redo that last step. I'm using my little mini Laura Mercier that I packed with me. The packaging of this is literally so cute. I just love mini things. So now I'm just gonna wipe all this bake off. And I'm gonna wipe it off using the Infallible Pro Matte. I love this brush with this, like, face powders. Like, it just matches so perfectly. So for bronzer, I'm gonna be trying out the new Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. They finally made one called Deep Bronzer that can actually fit my skin tone. Oh my god, this smells so freaking amazing. Ugh, I could just smell this all day. And it's tropical vibes, so it matches our glowy summer island theme. And then just baking around it to make it more defined. Excuse my language, that's a hang up on okay, that. And then snatching my jaws. So while this is baking, I'm just gonna go to my eyes. I'm just gonna curl my eyelashes. Should I use lashes? Let's see. I'm gonna use, I don't have tweezers, so this is gonna be difficult. I'm just gonna use these Ardell lashes. I'm gonna be using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara and just putting like a light coat. So now I'm just gonna wipe off my bake. And I'm gonna spritz my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter. Okay, and quickly, we're going to use the Wet n Wild Golden Flower Crown Highlighter and make us even more glowy.
Look good?
Yeah, and we good. Lastly, for lips, Urban Decay.
Hi, bloggers.
Just to make my lips look a little fuller, because this like matches my lips really perfectly. And then on top of that, I'm just gonna use Glossier Clear Lip Gloss. And that is it!
Be the light, my 360-degree reality.